You've seen those talking avatars all over your feed, but most of them, the lips don't even match the voice. It looks fake, it feels off, and people scroll. So I tested 5 of the most hyped AI lip sync tools to find out which ones actually work and which ones are just hype. What I found? Even I didn't expect it. I used the same voiceover on every test. One realistic human character, one stylized or non-human avatar, and wherever possible, multi-character scenes, so you're getting raw comparisons. No guesswork. But first, we need the voiceover. Step 1. Generate the voice in 11 Labs. Before we test any tools, we need one consistent audio file. So here's what I did. I went to 11 Labs, I chose a clean, natural-sounding voice. I pasted the test script. I generated the final voiceover, I downloaded it. And this is the audio we'll use in every single tool today. Now that the voiceover is locked in, let's start with tool number 1, Design AI, also known as Design AI. Design AI is an all-in-one platform. It offers image generation, video generation, face swaps, and yes, lip sync. But in this video, we're focusing completely on its lip sync performance. How to use it, upload, or create your image. Click lip sync. Select Pro mode for the best quality click. Pick a face from image. It auto-detects the face, or you can select it manually. Keep the aspect ratio or change it if you need to upload the 11 Labs audio. Leave a small gap at the start of the timeline. Click Generate. Why Design AI stands out? It animates both the lips and the body movement. It's wild how much can change in such a short time. I've failed, learned, and rebuilt myself more times than I can count. But I'm proud of how far I've come. And I'm even more excited for what's waiting ahead. It works with both images and videos. It supports up to 4 characters in one scene. It can handle non-human characters if you manually mark the face area. And most importantly, the results look natural, smooth, and cinematic. For multi-character scenes like fake podcasts, group conversations, and storytelling, Design AI is currently one of the best options available. Pricing. The creator plan is $19.99 per month. It includes lip sync, image generation, video generation, and ChatGPT-style tools. There's also a free plan if you want to test it out. Tool number 2, Dreamface. Dreamface is a tool I personally use a lot because it fills a gap almost no one talks about. Here's what it can do. It can lip sync images. It can lip sync videos. And it can animate built-in avatars. But here's the catch. Dreamface does not support multi-character lip syncing images versus videos. On images, the animation can sometimes feel stiff. The head can look stuck, and only certain parts of the face move. On videos, the accuracy is much better. The mouth movement matches the audio really well. The overall video quality drops slightly, but you can upscale it afterward. But I'm proud of how far I've come. And I'm even more excited for what's waiting ahead. Why Dreamface is a must-have. Dreamface is one of the only AI tools that can lip-sync videos up to 10 minutes long in a single render. Most platforms limit you to 30 to 60 seconds. So if you create long YouTube videos, Dreamface is a lifesaver. Pricing. There is a free plan, a pro plan, and a premium plan. Most creators use the yearly plan at $119 per year, or about $9 per month. Most people use Dreamface specifically for long-form lip sync. And honestly, if Design AI ever supports 10-minute videos, a lot of creators would switch, because Design AI still has the best overall visual movement. Tool number 3, Hedra. Hedra is simple, limited, but still useful depending on your project. What it can and can't do. It only works with images. No video lip sync. It does not support multiple characters. It works well with non-human or stylized characters. And the workflow is very straightforward. Upload your image. Upload the 11 Labs audio. Choose Hedra Character 3. Click Generate. Performance. The lip sync is good, but Hedra has a very recognizable issue. The Hedra bounce. The head moves in a slightly unnatural bobbing motion. Once you notice it, you will always see it. However, for animated animals, mascots, and stylized characters, Hedra performs really well. Pricing. There is a free plan with around 300 credits. Paid plans scale by credits. At 720p resolution, each clip costs around 6 credits. The highest plan allows you to generate roughly 4 10-minute clips per month. Hedra is good if you only need image lip sync and don't need multi-character support. Tool number 4, Piipit. It is fast, expressive, and perfect for short-form AI avatars. Inside Piipit, you get AI avatars, talking characters, and short-form lip sync options. How to use it? Click AI avatar. Upload your image. Upload the 11 Labs audio. And choose Turbo or Avatar Pro. Add a description such as, the character is talking and gesturing. Click Generate Strengths. Piipit delivers very expressive facial animation. It has smooth micro-expressions. It adds nice, subtle camera movement. It works extremely well for stylized characters, and it is perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Reels. Limitations. No video lip sync. No multi-character support. The avatar may not look directly at the camera. Some hand morphing may appear around the fingers. Piipit is ideal for quick, expressive clips between 10 and 30 seconds. Tool number 5. Tool number 5, HeyGen. HeyGen is known for having some of the best human avatars in the industry. Their photo-to-video avatar 4 model is the one we're testing today. How to use it? Click Photo to Video. Upload your image. Upload or record your 11 Labs audio. Choose the emotion or mood. Set the expressiveness. Choose your resolution. Click Generate. Why HeyGen is great? HeyGen has strong lip sync accuracy. It has excellent hand and body movement. It has realistic eye focus. It works well with non-human characters. And it's one of the best tools for professional spokesperson-style videos. Limitations. No multi-character support. Sometimes a slight head jerk appears. And for the highest quality results, you need the higher tier plans. Pricing. The creator plan is $24 per month if you pay yearly, or $29 monthly. There is a free version with watermarks. And there are team and enterprise plans. HeyGen is not the cheapest option, but it's extremely good at what it does. It's wild how much can change in such a short time. I've failed, learned, and rebuilt myself more times than I can count. But I'm proud of how far I've come. And I'm even more excited for what's waiting ahead. Final verdict. Here is the official breakdown. Best all-around lip sync tool. Design AI, also known as Zine AI. Best tool for long-form videos up to 10 minutes in one render. Dreamface best for expressive short-form avatar clips. Piipit best for image-only lip sync with a unique motion style. Hedra best for realistic human spokesperson avatars. HeyGen. Want all my exact prompts, workflows, and tools? Join our AI creator community. Link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.